You won't believe what I got here. Today I'm going to be reviewing Banstle's crevice cleaning brushes. I'd like to thank them for sending these to me to review. You're going to get 5 of these, but let's just take a look at one. What do we get here? It's a brush. It's actually pretty tight bristles right there. Close up, got that nice little angle. Nice handle for a good grip. Why would you want this? I'm just going to show you just my keyboard here. So it's good for crevices, right? For cleaning crevices, anything like that, hard to reach places. That's what this is going to be perfect for. Plenty of places. I've got my soundboard here with gaps in between. Between your stove, you want to clean those little areas in between, behind your sink. There's so many places, even on my mic here, there's little crevices and stuff. So anything like that, car vents, think of anywhere where it's hard to reach. This is going to help you. You can see how thin it is. It's almost like a blade. But like I said, these are very tight bristles. So if it goes across something that's baked on there, it's going to get it off. These do really well on Amazon. Not only is it an Amazon choice, it gets 4.5 stars, over 1,800 reviews. And last month, 200 plus of these were bought. I hope the review helps, and I'll see you next time.